the InDesign colors and swatches. New file. Choose print, web, mobile, or saved. Choose a preset. Click Create. The correct color model will appear in your color panel. Let's start by drawing a square, and we're doing this by holding the Shift key while we drag using the rectangle tool. We will give it no fill. We'll place a picture by drawing a frame with the rectangular frame tool. Go to the File Place menu, select an image file, and place. Click on the edge of your square to select it. In the color panel, select Fill. Select a color in the color slider. Or, in the Swatches panel, select Fill. Pick a color that has been pre-loaded as a color swatch. Right-click or hold down the Option key to create a new color swatch. Adjust your color in the pop-up window. The swatch name will default to the, in this case, CMYK formula. Or you can give it a name of your choosing. Click OK. The new swatch is now in your Swatches panel. Or you can use your control bar, which I've put on the bottom of my screen, Fill, Arrow, New Swatch. The same process. You can drag an individual color swatch to fill the object. Right-click or hold down the Option key and click to create a new tint from a swatch. right-click or hold down the option menu to create a new gradient. This is a gradient from an existing swatch. You can adjust the direction and the two colors in the pop-up window. Or you can get your color from a photo by selecting the eyedropper tool. Pick a single color from your photo to fill your object. Use the Color Theme tool to get color schemes based on the photograph. You can drag an individual color or add one or all of the scheme themes to your Swatches panel. And you can use a swatch taken from a photo to fill objects. Music on this has been Rose of the Rio Grande and Isle of Zorba by Jess Libanati.